Hello YouTube and welcome back to Retro Rewind. Today we are having a look at Bobble on the Commodore 64. This one was recommended to me by the Pop-Tart Lee, and I had a little look around to see which was supposed to be the best version, and this was the one that people seem to be raving about, so we're going to give it a go. I remember playing it both on the Spectrum and the Atari ST. Both were great, and the arcade for that matter, which is where I first played it. Whichever version you play, it's a great game, good fun, very simple, but yeah, good laugh. Anyway, we're going to give it a go, and this one is converted from the Taito arcade version by none other than Firebird, who I believe were connected with British Telecom of all people. So make of that what you will. Anyway, let's have a go. Now, all loaded up, ready to play. Screen's a bit different from the one that I added, the big sort of cloudy thing with all the writing in. But anyway, we'll give it a go, and as I said, let's see what happens. Right, so you're basically these little dinosaurs, and the idea is to capture the other monsters in bubbles, pop them, and grab all the goodies that come out, and get loads of points. Pretty simple, but good fun, as I say. So, let's have a go. Love the music as well. Come on, down. Yay, goal 3. Hopla! Hey, got him. Get a banana! Come on, get down, you fuck. Oh, too late. Obviously, good fun playing it 2 players as well. You get you and a mate playing along. Oh, bollock and fuck. Come on. Yay. And to get more points. Right, as you can see, it's getting progressively harder. And some of the... Ah, you fuck. Some of them are right bastards when they come and get you. Come here! Stop running away. Thank you. Right. At the moment, you say it's pretty samey, I know, because you've got the same creatures, but you do get different ones as the game goes on. Oh, I got the B, the bonus. Oh, one's got away. Ah, you fucking... Yeah, I nearly said the word. Git! Bit harder than I remember it. They get quite far in the game, but it can be a little bit frustrating. It's all about timing, obviously. Oh, got the water slide. Hooray! There we go. There we go. Got it. Now I got ghosties. And for some reason, these throw cookies at you. Oh, and he just did that. Bastard. He's gonna come down. He's angry. Doing well. Get rid of the cursor if it's there. Sorry about that. Shut up on my screen, so I'm assuming you can see it as well. I love the tune. It's repetitive as buggery, but it's fun. Come on, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, he landed on me, you bollocks! Is that it? Don't I get to carry on? Oh, that's naff. I thought you used to be able to carry on. Oh, well, start again. You get like loads of weird bonuses. Hopefully I can get far enough to show you. What I might do at a later date is play some of the other ones as well, because there's quite a few of them apparently over the years, which I didn't know. It's about 4 different ones. Ah, you shitter! Just leapt out from underneath me. And you have to get them after a certain time, because otherwise they get like really angry and then they start licking it after you. Come on, get him, get him. Die, bitch! You little fucker. So I'm not swearing as much as normal because I'm actually getting on with the game. Yay, got banana. It is quite tricky. I don't know how you're supposed to carry on from where you left off though. Oh, I see they both got up there now. Gits. Oh, no, I bloody fired on him! That's unfair. Shitbag. Get him! No, you fucking cunt! Sorry. I said it. I didn't want to, but I said it. Sorry, Abby. Right. Oops. I wonder. I know Adam. I might be able to continue. You shitter. Come here. Fucking cock. Oh, he got me again. There you go. Thank you. Got a diamond. Yeah, it's not giving me much in the way of bonuses at the moment. I don't know why. Been a bit stingy. Not me again! Fuck off! Die, bastard! Thank you. No, I'm doing better. Bugger off! Bugger off! Bugger off! Bugger off! You shitter! Oh, won't let me carry on! We got these credits and it won't do it. Oh, one last go then. Yeah, it wouldn't let me carry on. Did it for a couple of them, but it's a bit unfair. Jibbity jibs! Oh. And would you believe it or not, there's 100 levels of this shit to do. Oh, bugger off! You fucker! So these games are quite unforgiving sometimes with, you know, they get... Ah, you fucking shitbag! Fuck off! Die, motherfucker! Bob and Bob. I think this is Bob. Oh, for fuck's sake! You absolute whore! Oh, for fucking hell! That's it already, I died. Fucking bullshit. Oh, well, there we go. That's Bubble Bobble for you. I hope you enjoyed that, folks. Yeah, again, this is another one that I may return to later on, somewhere down the road. I don't know what you think of this, whether you liked it or not. I thought it was good fun. Didn't do particularly great, but then I never do I? So, yeah. But, you know, I might try some of the other ones and see if there's a way to get to the later stages and show you a bit more. Anyway, that is it. Fairly short for a Retro Rewind comparatively, but there you are. I'm going to leave it there. Obviously, do the usual nonsense with the liking and leave some comments below. Any games you want me to try, let me know. I do have a big list. If I don't do your game, nothing against you. It's that I may not be able to get it to work, or I can't find the game itself, or there's something wrong with the controller setup and it won't set up correctly. But yeah, most of the ones I do, as long as they make for interesting videos. So obviously text adventures are out because they're probably pretty dull. Anyway, that is it. So until the next time, catch you later. Bye.